Bonjour, hola guys. Hi, it's me, it's a girl. Thank you so much Watoshiko Paul for always like supporting us and subscribing. Guess what guys, nawapeleka wapi? Today is on a Sunday. So that's the outfit. I'll tell my friend anichukue video because I'm with my friend. So but at least msichana wenu hapo hivyo. Don't ask me about the wig. Sitaki kuvaa wig and I love like venye nimefanya twist wangu. I know. Thank you. Okay, nimesoka kitabu kangu. I forgot my kitabu, but anyway, I'll try to remember like nini nilikuwa nimesema nitasema kwa Google and stuff. So come along with me as I'm going. Sijui mbona lipstick inakaje. Kwa hii video kanataka vibaya. So I'm going in the next 10 minutes ndakuwa nafika kwa bishti yangu, so we go together we head out to Jibambe kidogo tutembe. Guess what, I had an accident. Nimeanguka mpaka nimechange nguo. I had worn a short one. Nikona people will be seeing my blisters like scars zangu. Nimepata alama kwa miguu. Nimeanguka nikagwaruzwa. God bless you. Content lazima to a page, we promise guys. And someone said, "Guy, aki makeup sijui mbona naka." Kaita kawa inaka vibaya, I'll have to change the lipstick. Nimepaka matte but I don't know kama inaendana. So one thing ni thank you guys, mnasema tuko consistent. Thank you. Na so I always read all of your comments. Maybe start reply, but I remember each and everything. Thank you guys for there are good people who always be like, God bless you guys. Amin. Thank you, shukran. Nashukuru. You guys are the best. So wacha niangalie hii makeup. Hii lipstick kuna venye naona I give chill kidogo tu. So guys, nimeangalia makeup yangu. I just had to like reduce the lipstick I mean, but sasa unaona niko your girl is giving. So guys, sijui nionyeshe zile scars nimepata, msiseme ni uongo. Ona guys, see mpaka tabisha wangu niambia nimeumia. Walai nimeanguka kwa stool. Sijui kama huku mnaona. You see? So yeah, nimeumia actually. So I had to change the outfit juu mwenye nimevaa ni fupi and I was like no way. Swollen. My leg is swollen and I was like mpaka high heels nilikuwa nivaa. I was like sasa jana nikilimp. Yeah, so I'm with my friend and itoka Dot. Tunaenda naye na sijameni wapi tunaenda guys. Lakini obvious mshajua. Najua sasa hivi mshasoma caption, msha nini. So we are taking you somewhere. Tunatupia si tujibambe like because it's our off day. Leo si unajua ni Sunday too. So come along with us guys. Love this lady so much. Hata anajua hivyo. How do you call these? Doves, penguins. See penguins, pigeons. Pigeons. Those are pigeons. So I'm headed there with my friend Kadot. We're heading to the bus stop. So ndo tuelekea hapo. Actually ni place ya 10 minutes. Yeah, uko na tumata. Do you know my mom watched this? Yeah, ni cute. Yeah, mpaka hizi sana. Wait a minute. Ni cute. So guys, tushaingia kwa basi. We are headed there. It's just place ya like 10 minutes. Shut up. This is the metro card. Inakanga hivi. It's called Nul card. So we are headed there guys. We are headed there. Yeah. So come along. Tuneni tukatembe tujibambe. I'm coming. So guys, ndo sisi hao. Tende. Yeah, ile ndo inaitwa guys, that one is called the Emirates Tower. So we are walking straight ahead to Museum of the Future. Guys, like it's so beautiful. On any your view, Dubai is Dubai. Sasa ndo inaitwa Dubai Bling. I'm with my friend guys, tumekuja tu kutembea. On Earth, I kid you not, is the Museum of the Future. So guys, tunaelekea hivi and I'm so happy. I'm with my friend, everyone. What you need? So this is the driveway, like see driveway, like hallway. You can see, look at it, how beautiful it is. That's the ground floor. You can see there's a queue, guys. That's where people like are queuing, like so that they can get to the elevators. And you can see that's a staircase over there. Like it's really beautiful. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but it's so beautiful. Let me show you even this other side. You can see this is the back side, and we are going to also go there with my friend. You can see, and also they are doing some, you know, shopping. Like I don't know shopping, but it's like they are selling stuffs. But yo, ni pesa, lazima kuwa na pesa. Like I've seen a water bottle, it's going for 147 dirhams. Yeah, so you can see, guys, it's really, see how beautiful it is. Yo, oh my goodness, that's why they call this place the Museum of the Future, because indeed it's the Museum of the Future. So guys, like literally this place is ever fully packed. It's so packed. You can see, like look at the lift. Look at the lift. Oh my god, so beautiful. You see people are queuing over there so that they can get into the lift. So guys, I told you there are 7 floors, but 5 floors are the ones that are accessible. So for the meantime, we could not be able to access in those floors. Lazima ulipe pesa, lazima utoe do. But actually ni place poa. You can come with your family, your kids, mtembe. Yeah, you can see people are tapping over there with you know, to see if it's valid and stuff. Yeah, so it's really cute. And also they do have free Wi-Fi, but I don't know, but it's not even connecting though. Unajua watu ni wengi. That's how it looks. And this is the hallway. Okay, where is my friend? I can't even see her. Oh, here she is. This is how it is. This is how it is. It looks so, oh my god, it's so breathtaking. It's breathtaking. It's eye-catching. So yeah. It's embroidered like with an Arabic words, and hii yote imeandikwa na Kiarabu. You know the Sheikh, the king of Dubai, he has very famous quotes that he normally say. Lakini nimezisahau, forgotten about them because I even forgot my book. I was in a hurry. Kimwambia nje, outside the lobby, and passport is bure. There's no pay, and I'm so excited. Like it's a really nice place. And could you please show them like ile ni Emirates Towers, those two. And there's like a garden behind. What will do the hidden?
Hey, manze mimi ni mfupi, mama itatoka hadi juu.
Haina neno. So we are just here, we are enjoying the view kama watalii. Yeah, let's go. Come on, run along.
Oh.
Yeah, so we should look at it. So you can see there's a signature like down there, like a piece, and see how cute it is. Like it's made of steel, if I'm not wrong, and it's literally like connected to the metro station. You can show them for those people like who want to come and visit. You can't get lost. Like literally, I will just spend 6 dirham, like 3 dirham coming and 3 dirham going back home. So you can see like I just love the scenery, like how green it is. They're trying to make it, and you can see that it's inspired by the Sheikh himself, the Dubai king. The Dubai king himself, and literally it's written in Arabic and it's written in the three famous quotes. So the Museum of the Future, yeah, show them.
Fire emoji go bikili wahala, mapenzi yako yameniwasha moto. Fire emoji go bikili wahala.
So that's the Museum of the Future behind me, and thank you guys for always supporting me, subscribing. Love you so much. And so see you next weekend. Yeah, tutakuwa tunatembea kama ni tena mahali tunatafuta base ya kutulia, and we explore Dubai more kama we are working. We have our time off and relax. And guys, you can see there's this misconception of like you can't wear like chenye unataka, you have to wear how do you say, like cover clothes. Nimecover the other, and no one has harassed me. Nobody, like literally, even in the video, you can see people are wearing whatever they want. You know, it's a free country. So thank you guys. Adios, masalama.